Chopper boys chilling on the set.
The men of Iron Bred would like to invite you all to our 9th annual anniversary party.
Blue, black, and brown, y'all gonna recognize the colors, homie.
The Museum Bar, Saturday, June 4th from 9 to 2. 3 levels with DJ Dirty and Iron Bred Zone, DJ Blvd and DJ Spin, so you can dance all night, ladies. Now, fellas, you know we couldn't leave you out. Yes, she will be there. Yes, along with a lot of other beautiful ladies from on and off the set. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming. It all kicks off 8 p.m. Wednesday, June 1st. Bike night with Kickstand Promotions, 3670 Camp Creek Parkway. Friday, the pool party of the year, June 3rd, 7 p.m. at the Ramada Plaza, 5010 Old National Highway. So ladies, be bathing suit ready. And the main event, Saturday, June 4th, 9 p.m., the Museum Bar, 181 Route David Abernathy. $15 pre-sale tickets are going fast, so see any Iron Bred member for advanced tickets. After they're gone, $20 at the door. No exceptions. You can be there or you can hear about it. My advice, be there.